Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's just talk. Let's just get ready and talk about life goals. I'm gonna start off with this foundation. I've actually been really liking it. I just took 2 pumps. It's been my go-to foundation. Whoa. Don't worry, we'll make it look like it fits us. I know it looks crazy. So I was watching this video, this short clip of Manny Koshman. I don't know his name. He's basically a really successful real estate. Hold on, this light is so bright it hurts my eye. What if I just record like this? Like I'm literally recording and I can barely see what I'm doing, but I actually like that a lot better. But then I hate that once I get to editing, what if it did look better with this lights? Let's try one more time. I'm gonna lessen the brightness so, cause girl, this hurts my eyes. You know why I purchased this light in the first place was because Carly Bible herself, the queen of beauty, said she uses that, and I love all her videos and all her lightnings and all that stuff. Excuse me. So I was like, let me buy it, but I bought it maybe because I don't have a tripod for it and I have it really close up to me. Maybe that's why it's super blinding. But like me looking at myself in the mirror and trying to do my makeup, it's super blinding. Okay, I'm just gonna keep that light because I can see a lot better. I was saying something and I got interrupted. Oh yes, I saw this short clip of Manny. He basically was talking to, I believe it was Ermailet, and he basically said that he drew out his vision board. It wasn't really a vision board, but he sketched out like how he wanted his home to be and all this stuff. And later on, eventually in the future, which is now, he basically said that the house he sketched out and everything, it's basically a replicate of his house that he lives in now. Get this, he also drew a woman with long black hair, and it's literally the exact image of how his wife Layla looks like. So I was like, whoa, that is insane. And he drew this out before he even met his wife, before he even had the big house. And that just like really inspired me because I'm a huge believer in like putting out the vision out there and having the clear vision of what it is that you want to complete, what you want to accomplish. We're done with June, now we're on July, which is the second quarter of 2021. So I was like, I need to work on my vision board because there's 6 months left and I need to get my shit together. I'm going to use Give Me Sun. I like this for, I feel like it makes me look like very sun-kissed, like healthy sun-kissed. My last video, I think I mentioned my mentor, who is Albert Preciado, and I don't really like to talk about what I'm doing in the moment. I kind of just work in silence, like a lot of things that, and I know I do post a lot of things of what I do, but a lot of things I don't really say it out there like that, because like my Mercedes, my family was like, wait, you didn't say anything, you didn't mention anything, you just kind of went out there and you got it. And I was like, well, I move in silence, you know what I mean? Like, what was my whole point with this? Where was I going with this? Okay, so talking about Ermaile, I'm so happy to say that I will be attending an event again this upcoming September, which is 7, 8, 9, literally 3 months from now. But time goes by so fast. This upcoming September, I'm going to be meeting so many huge people that I look up to. Tim Grover is one of them. I freaking love Tim Grover. This is I've been so into blush, and I feel like a lot of girls have been saying that, like, I've been so into blush, and yes, I am one of them. I'm gonna pick up this one right here. Just want to smile, look cute. And yeah, I'm gonna be meeting Tim Grover. If you don't know who Tim Grover is, I don't blame you, because I didn't know who Tim Grover was. I just found out actually because of the event he's attending. Tim Grover is Kobe Bryant's coach. He was also MJ, Michael Jordan's coach. He has really awesome books. You guys should totally check them out. I've been noticing that on my pictures, when I take pictures, my eyes look really small, and I think it's because of the way I do my eyeliner. So maybe I should chill with the eyeliner, but then I feel like I need the eyeliner. And the exciting part is we're also going to be having dinner with them. I think breakfast, lunch, and dinner with all these big influential people. And I strongly believe in like mindset and like the people you surround yourself with. If you surround yourself with the big thinkers, the believers, then you're going to become one of them. So I'm just like investing in myself. I've been loving it, like the whole Botox thing and all of that stuff. Like, my thing is, I want to look good for as long as I can. I want to preserve my youth for as long as I can. And if that means getting Botox in my mid-late 20s, then I will do that. I'm not saying this to say that you need to go get Botox and fillers, because it's just something I wanted to do, so I went out and I did it. Actually, my coach, he's very big on investing in yourself. A lot of people don't like him because of what he says, but I love just straightforward. Like, I don't like when people sugarcoat things, like, and he's just very raw. I want to eventually get into my license to work with him. Like, the events that I've gone to, I've been having such an awesome time, and I just want to be a part of that environment. Like, so that's what I'm working on, and hopefully by the time of the event, homegirl is already licensed. I'm a huge believer in manifestations and putting it out there, and vision board. Actually, there's a Bible verse that goes, make the vision plain and clear, put it somewhere where you can always see it. So I'm like, a vision board. Funny story, I actually made a video 4 months ago saying that I was gonna go ride in my Mercedes-Benz. Homegirl didn't even own a Mercedes-Benz. Okay, let's go do all these tax write-offs and ride in our Mercedes-Benz. And 4 months later into the future, now I'm a Mercedes-Benz owner. So I'm like, damn, the power of your words, dude. Like, yeah, I've been reading a lot, which is something so not common for me. But like I said, like, if you want to grow, you have to do things that you don't want to do. Ooh, okay, she is almost all complete. I feel like this is why I don't do makeup videos, because it's always the same, devilish and privacy. I just put it down here. The brown colors will be your best friend. What is your guys' favorite alcohol drink? Like, let me know down below if you drink. If you don't, that's cool. We can still hang. Like, I don't have to have alcohol in me to have fun. Like, I have a lot of fun just completely sober. So no, I don't have to have alcohol to have fun. I've noticed that I have become very loose. Like, before I would be very like to myself, and now I'm like just enjoying me. I didn't even feel good working out in sports bra. But my sister was like, what's the whole point of you even working out then? Like, aren't you working out to be in shape, to like this and that? I'm like, yeah, but I'm not confident, I'm insecure. And she'll be like, you know what, Crystal, you're only freaking young once. I was like, you're right. You're right. Like, let me enjoy my body. That's not to say go get naked, and you know, like, if you're not comfortable with that, don't do it. But we live in our bodies, youthful bodies, for only a limited amount of time, and then we grow. I don't know about you, but I don't want to look back and be like, I remember when I had it and I was just too shy. Like, no. I want to be able to look back and know that I lived my life. And that can mean in any way for you. It doesn't have to be what I do, but just don't live with regrets. You know, like, things can be scary, things can be terrifying, things can be, you can literally be shaking and having anxiety right at the moment. But if you are, do it, because chances are that is your growth moment. And had I never ever pushed myself to go to an event where I met my mentor and all my friends now, I would have still been like, I don't know. It's just push yourself to the uncomfortable. Like, do the things that you don't want to do the things that make you uncomfortable. Pay the money, pay the extra money for knowledge. This is the final completed makeup look. It's just a regular wing liner, straight hair, nude lips. I've been getting so much lagañas, like, and it blocks my view, and it's been happening so much recently. I don't know if there's something wrong with my eye, but yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, let me know what you guys think, and that's it. See you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.